It's now being loaded. Set ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Gold Fisher break quickly to start. Rocket Star Rizari outside. Buenos Aires is racing in third. Chinita comes next. Then followed by a strong leader Doña Susan. Double Rack second last, while Princess Mamba is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, we have Rocket Star takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Gold Fisher is running by the rail. Buenos Aires moving up on the outside is 3A, and this one is Chinita running by the really strong leader. Then followed by Doña Susan, Double Rack second last, while Princess Mamba is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Rocket Star. Gold Fisher moving up down on the inside to take the lead, strong leader. Chinita comes next, Buenos Aires, then followed by Doña Susan. Double Rack moving up on the outside, while Princess Mamba is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Gold Fisher moving up on the outside, is strongly as they swing for home. Gold Fisher this time by about 4 lengths. A strong leader in second, moving up on the outside. Double Rack last 35 meters. We have Gold Fisher, and finally Gold Fisher second. Double Rack, then comes the strong leader Chinita, Doña Susan, Buenos Aires, Princess Mamba, Rocket Star.
Our unofficial winner for this race, number 6, entry number 2, that's Gold Fisher. Mas segundo yung sa East Double Rack, 1, strong leader 3A, Chinita. So yun po ang ating unofficial